अस्सलामुअलैकुम रिप्लाई ऑल की एक और मज़ेदार एपिसोड के साथ मैं हूं नौशीन बुखारी। आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही मज़ेदार किस्म की गेस्ट हैं। गेस्ट हमारे हमेशा ही बहुत मज़ेदार होते हैं, उनके साथ कॉन्वर्सेशंस बिल्ड होती हैं, उनके साथ हार्ट टू हार्ट भी होता है, उनके साथ जो चैलेंजेस और फिर उन चैलेंजेस से जैसे वो निमटते हैं उसकी कहानियाँ भी हम आपको सुनाते हैं उन्हीं की ज़ुबानी। आज जो मेरे साथ मेरी दोस्त भी हैं, मेरी बहुत प्यारी अज़ीज़ भी हैं। अज़ीज़ एज़ इन कि मुझे बहुत अज़ीज़ हैं, रिश्तेदारी हमारी कोई नहीं है लेकिन इसे कहते हैं ना कि एक उम्मीद का रिश्ता, एक खुलूस का रिश्ता होता है ऐसे लोगों के साथ। सो मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद हैं सालेह उबैद, जो कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, एक बिजनेस वूमन हैं और अपने आप को एक मैनिफेस्टिंग सोल भी कहती हैं। सालेह, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you so much, Nosheen. Thank you so much for having me.
Pleasure.
Pleasure is all mine.
प्लेजर। मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो हैरत होती है कि इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतने बड़े बड़े वेंचर्स संभाल रही हैं एंड यू आर रनिंग देम एंड देन यू आर about to open some new ventures. How did you manage all this, keeping in mind that this is not the background that you have in your studies? Like you haven't studied business, right? But you are doing business, जिसमें कि family business भी है, अब अपना personal भी start कर रही हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें संभाली मैं अपने। ये कैसे, इसकी कहानी सुनाएं।
Well, you can say maybe it's all about in your how you are being brought up, how you see things, your experiences, and while you're just getting wiser and wiser with the time and your age, and yeah, so maybe it's
So you're saying
it was all
time
that.
has honed you and your skills.
Time and my learnings, my experiences, and from the very day first, there was something in my mind all the time that
कि कुछ करना है।
let's just not be the part of the matrix.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
That's deep, huh?
be the part of something outside the
Be
matrix.
the Neo, huh?
Or be the part of the glitch, or be the part of who makes the matrix.
Very nice.
And this era we are living in, fortunately or unfortunately, things are very easy, very automatic. Some scrolls away, some browsing away, but still it's getting so hard. I've been seeing people getting confused. People stop.
Very true.
People have stopped thinking. And there is a saying, there is a thing that and God says that too. What you think is what you become. So think of self-development and self will develop. This is what I believe in. Yeah, you were right. Being from a business kind of a background and a family and different stuffs and venture were going on and on. Still, I had my own think bank. I had my own terminologies. I had my own thinking and visions. It's kind of a blessing and not easy though, working with a family.
Yeah.
It's the experience.
But I think
saying.
that being a woman in Pakistan especially,
yeah,
it's pure luck कि आपको घर से सबसे पहली support मिले।
you learn from your family, yeah. You learn
कि
from
बहुत ज़रूरी
your
है।
father, your brother. My brother is literally my mentor, my elder brother. And one day he said one thing to me which I can never forget. He said, when you are in hell, just keep on walking. And you will walk through the hell. So if you feel like you're in hell, you are confused, you don't know, you're not sure about what you need to do and what are you doing, just keep on walking. Just don't stop the walk. So one day you will walk through the hell, even if you're in hell. So, what my point is over here, that you just keep on walking, try to think for yourself, for your self-development. And one day, of course, you can do wonders, you can do better than the people. Stop being a follower who follows a follower. Stop being a sheep who follows a sheep. You should have your own vision. So
you should create your own path to walk on.
Yeah, whatever. Every individual is designed and they are good in certain things and they have some expertise. They have some good stuff in their souls. Yeah, of course. Everyone is designed like this. So you just need to discover yourself. When was the last time you sat by yourself? what people do these days, they just woke up, they turn the music on, they're driving, they turn the radio on, music on, they're scrolling on TikTok, they're scrolling on Instagram and stuff like that. They have stopped spending the time with themselves. Stop thinking, stop creating. Talk to yourself.
Me time.
Yeah. Talk to yourself. Think. And work on self-development. And
Yeah. So what I'm guessing and what I'm getting after having a talk और आपकी बात सुन के number one तो ये था कि it was in your genes because family में already business हो रहा था. But do you think कि again another question because कुछ चीज़ें क्लिशे भी होती हैं, ठीक है, कि फैमिली में चीज़ हो रही है तो मैं भी कर लूँ, सब डॉक्टर्स हैं, पेरेंट्स डॉक्टर्स हैं तो मैं भी डॉक्टर बनूँ. You having a very different degree, as far as I remember, told me that you have done your degree in criminology.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, my mind was blown away. कि यहाँ कहाँ criminology और कहाँ business.
Yeah.
So you, I mean, did you get inspired from the family या you were always like कि नहीं criminology पढ़ते हुए ख्याल है कि यार ये मेरी field नहीं है, मुझे कुछ और करना है.
Exactly. The thing is कि the study was never my thing actually. Yeah. Of course, education is important. Education really helps you in certain ways. But I'm really sorry to say that. I feel sorry for literally myself and for everyone around me, and especially in this era. Education system is all, but you know very well that it's all literally a bullshit kind of a system. You are it's what I call it. It's all a slavery system. You know, you're not for that. Human beings are not for this. So from a very first start, I've realized that from some maybe incidents, some experiences. Again, every individual is different. They take things differently. So, yeah. So education and this job and this kind of stuff was never my thing. It's not because of
you
the
wanted
family.
to be the boss of you, simply, right?
Yeah,
you did not like work
have
for
the
anyone
freedom.
else. Yes,
Actually,
exactly.
there are some different symphonies of success. So what is the symphony of success to you? What's to a athlete? It's gonna be to be a good athlete, or for a singer, it's gonna be I can play some good instrument, guitar or something like that. For a doctor, the symphony of success is gonna be I want to be the best surgeon. For me, I want to build up a good business opportunities and good business stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, for me, the symphony of success is freedom. Whatever you do, you should be free. You shouldn't be felt like you need to follow.
Yes.
You need to,
and also like sorry to get you, what you were saying about freedom is that I personally relate. क्योंकि जो कंट्रोल होता है ना, वो उसके लिए इंसान नहीं बना. मैंने ये पर्सनली इस चीज़ को फील किया है. यू आर मेड फॉर रूल्स, यू आर नॉट मेड टू ओबे. इवन अगर हम एक सिस्टम, एग्जैक्टली, हम अगर सिस्टम को भी देखें, अगर हम रिलीजियस सिस्टम को भी देखें, क्योंकि वी ऑल वर टॉट फ्रॉम राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग कि इंसान को अल्लाह की इबादत के लिए पैदा किया गया. तो उसमें भी अल्लाह ताला ने कुछ उसूल, कायदे, ज़ाविये, रूल्स बना दिए, लेकिन उन्होंने हमें कंट्रोल नहीं किया कि तुम इस टाइम ये करोगे, इस टाइम वो करोगे, इसके बाद ये नहीं करना, उसके बाद वो नहीं करना. वो बता दिया गया कि देखो ये हलाल भी वाज़े है, हराम भी वाज़े है, तो तुम उसमें देख लो which path do you choose. Working, while like I have also changed my career, like it took a 360-degree shift for the same reason कि I felt so controlled. मैंने टीचिंग भी की, मैंने लोगों के साथ बिजनेसेस भी किए, मैंने पार्टनरशिप्स भी की, मैंने कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में काम किया, मैंने डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में काम किया. लाइक मेरे अब्बू कहते तुमने कुछ छोड़ा नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. कुछ तुम्हारी सीवी देख के बंदे हैरान परेशान रहते हैं कि बंदी क्या क्या करती रही. बट एट द एंड आई गॉट टू लर्न वन थिंग.
But still, you are a mentor to me. You're my mentor, literally.
But this is about you. It's not about me, right? I'm just like endorsing what you said. कि I felt so relaxed. कि जब मुझे I got out from the shackles. I didn't break them, but I just released myself. कि यार मुझे मुझे किसी कंट्रोल फ्रीक के साथ काम नहीं करना. आई वुड लव टू सिट विद समबडी एंड हैव देयर ओपिनियन एंड यू नो उनके से, और फिर मैं अपने नोट्स बना के एंड लेट्स गो टुगेदर एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. आई एम नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु टेक्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस, सो आई totally relate to what you're saying. And that's why you're enjoying what you're doing.
Actually, it's not like a rebelness, I would say.
हाँ, exactly. No, not at all.
It's just that you should know your...
Yes, क्योंकि rules तो हर जगह होते हैं.
Exactly. You should know that what you need to do in life and how you need to operate your life to be free and to be satisfied and to experience the fullness of life, basically. So yeah, this is what it is. To develop yourself, to learn more, to explore. This is what the freedom is.
Yes.
It's not about money. It's not about jobs. It's not about your personal life and stuff. It's all about the experiences. Yeah. And
exactly. आपकी डिग्री जो आपको सिखा रही होती है वो आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में जब आप या प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में जाते हैं,
it's never applied.
It's never there.
It's never
It's
applied.
never there.
After doing my degree, I just shifted. I did then hotel management. I did business development. So a lot of stuff I did because of to have different experiences and learnings. So that's how you grow more. When you do more, you grow more. Rather than wasting your time, I guess, watching other people eat. Literally, I see people these days watching mukbangs. You call it mukbangs, whatever.
Yes,
mukbangs. And people are eating, and the other...
And they call it... It's so satisfying. Like somebody else is cooking.
It can be satisfying.
Exactly.
So it means that you are literally going on the wrong path, guys. You need to
like there are certain videos that teach you skills. For instance, अगर even cooking की भी देख लें या makeup की देख लें, they're teaching you skills. You're learning something out of it.
This is
but somebody eating or somebody just
watching.
going somewhere
and you're watching,
or somebody is like
and getting hungrier.
Exactly.
This will go all another
like
another side.
हम जब स्कूल में थे तो हमें बताया जाता था 2024 25 तक तो flying cars बन जाएंगी. And अब वो आए ना वो वाले लोग यहाँ पे कि वो देखें क्या हो रहा है कि people are like glued to their screens watching all those stupid silly stuff and watching people dancing on TikTok to promote their brands. Yeah, like what the what the hell.
You're right, absolutely right. I totally agree. What I think everyone should every day check their screen time.
Self-reflection, like you're talking about.
First thing you should do. So then you can analyze what are we doing and on which path are we going. So you will realize it on your own that no, there is something wrong we're doing. Until and unless, social media is no bad. Internet is no bad. I'm not saying that. It's
they're just tools.
It's a kind of a very good platforms.
Exactly.
But you should know for yourself what and how to use it in a better way.
True. Like छुरी से आप फल भी काटते हैं, छुरी से आप हाथ भी काट सकते हैं.
Exactly. What people are doing.
The way you use it.
What people are doing, they literally scroll. They stop thinking. Whatever is wrong with them, they go to the psychiatrist, psychologist, and they watch the videos on YouTube. Why not just analyze, practically do stuff for yourself? People literally stop thinking.
Yeah.
They've been asking, what I do, I browse on the internet. It's kind of a research to me that what these days people mental levels are. People's mentalities are. Why they are not doing something for themselves. Or why they are not into business. Why they are not growing.
Not why they aren't being productive.
Productive, yeah,
Simply.
exactly.
Yeah.
So what I do, is I just go to the videos like TikTok, Instagram and all. I go to when I got the time, I go to the comment section and I read the people's comment. And literally they are asking the other person, what should we eat? What should we put on our skin? What should we do?
Exactly.
Literally, I've seen people commenting about their personal lives. Why not you yourself study, research?
You have Google.
Apply.
Come on, yes.
Exactly. And practical. Practical things. I believe in physical, practical things. I don't believe in just talking and scrolling. Until and unless you do it productively. Okay, you want to do something? Just go for it. Just go for it. when you want to lead the orchestra, you should know, and you should know how to turn your back towards the crowd. Sometimes it's better, it's good to be misunderstood, to be judged, to be commented. It doesn't mean that you don't take it personally. Just do.
Yeah.
It's a very simple thing.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do, just do. You fail, you win, it doesn't matter. It will gonna be all the experience. You'll be learning, you'll be doing more, better next time. So rather than wasting your time on scrolling, doing stuff, think about yourself. Talk to people, talk to yourself, spend time with the family, nature, eat good food, home cooked food,
Yes.
work on your hygiene. And you need a religion support all the time. Talk to God, read your
Like
holy
discipline
book.
your life.
Discipline your
Yes.
life.
Don't be a couch potato or rot in bed all the time कि बस phone पकड़ा हुआ दिखे जा
there
रहा है.
is a thing that a good thing at the wrong time can be the bad thing.
Right.
Right?
So I'd like to come to the business part again. That you have started your venture recently, and all the best for that. And I was really impressed
Thank
by
you.
the idea behind it, and जो आपने उसके ऊपर अब मेहनत भी start की हुई है, and वो नज़र भी आ रही है. You're wearing the dress. Old
Okay.
money. I'm talking about old money.
Yeah.
So that is your brand, which is about to be launched.
Clothing brand.
And it's a clothing line, and the thought behind it is very powerful. I would like you to tell the story and what does it mean, and then आपके जहन में idea कैसे आया, अभी आपको आपका support system क्या है, वो सारी चीज़ें जो इस brand को successful बनाने में आपको मदद कर रही हैं या करेंगी. I would like you to talk about that.
Okay, well, the old money concept it's kind of a legacy. It's kind of it's a timeless thing. It is not something you follow the trends or something. It's a timeless thing. It's a fashion you do for yourself. You create your own style, which is not never getting old, because you're not following trends. You're not following anything. Something which suits your class, your legacy, your family, your bloodline. So it comes from there. Your experiences, again, I would say. So yeah, it was always there in my mind somewhere. That, there is a saying, when you look good, you feel good. This is so true. What you're wearing, what you're carrying, and you should know whatever you're doing in this era, especially, it's not a trend, and it's never out of trend. You're getting?
Exactly.
What I'm saying is that every individual should have their own style, their own personality, how to show their personality, their true self, trueness, how they look, how they feel. Should be classy, comfortable.
Yes.
Should be very elegant and modern and clean. So yeah, it was always in my mind somewhere. It's kind of a legacy I've been seeing through my family, especially.
Right.
And there is a saying, no logo is a new logo, basically. So
you're not having any logo for that?
That's why we will be having logo, but not the
A very simple one. Huh?
not the you can say screaming logos.
Yes.
What people now think is a style and fashion, they need to prove themselves that they're wealthy, they're not wealthy,
With loud colors. And
loud
yes.
colors and loud logos, and
Yes.
with the
Like
GV,
इतना बड़ा G
B.
और B, exactly. Sorry, but I
Stuff
also
like
want
that.
to comment on that.
Yeah, exactly.
People, I mean, the concept of wearing another person's name.
Yeah, with your money,
How do you allow
Yeah.
that?
So
Seriously,
so
like
this
why
came?
would I, like, Gucci is a family name, why would I wear them? ठीक है, I have
see, so
a few
this is all
like jewelry
our marketing,
pieces.
a good marketing.
Like Tory Burch is very famous in women, okay, but the design is a little fascinating, ठीक है, so not too many people know कि oh this means Tory Burch, ठीक है,
Yeah.
but there are certain brands के सीधा सीधा पता है यार ये इनका family name है, Gucci है, Armani है, 2-3 और नाम है,
Chanel,
डियोर है, शनेल है, ठीक है,
Dior, Dolce and Gabbana,
वो डियोर के
Roth.
वो मतलब वो
Okay.
बैग्स,
Why are we endorsing them?
Why? Like I'm actually trying to tell people by the names of it because people actually save up. But this is what I know. The women, the men that I know. Okay, मर्दों का मुझे इतना नहीं पता, but I know now it's also very common कि पैसा आ गया है,
Yeah.
तो मुझे ब्रांड पहननी है और मुझे गुची का बैग खरीदना है,
So
मुझे
it's
फलाना
all
फलाना करना है.
the-
Like
there is a
I mean ठीक है, fine, but don't overdo things कि आप गुची आपकी आइडेंटिटी बन रही है, अरमानी आपकी आइडेंटिटी बन रही है.
You should be your own identity.
Exactly.
No matter whatever you're wearing, other person should know what you're worth and what your identity and what your personality is. This is called fashion. The exact meaning of fashion is this: that no brand, no logo should define you. And this is all the mindset, the psychology they created basically to, if okay, you got money. Although these are brands for the broken ones, literally I'm telling you, because they need to scream out and tell the people, just because of the so-called my life is better than your social media,
Exactly.
that yeah, I got something, I got, so I need to wear this, and people will think, okay, yeah, I'm good, I'm doing good in my life. You know, this is all the concept they have created, all the psychology. And so yeah,
And this is actually that it plays with your mind. Like I'll tell you what, I was in the US and I was about to buy a bag which had no brand. Like एक बहुत simple maybe वहाँ पे US में होगी वो common की brand, but it wasn't known worldwide. तो वहाँ पे there was like a friend with me who said कि कोई वो brand लो जो लोगों को पता है, because you're going back to Pakistan.
see,
And I said, okay, yeah. And I picked up a Michael Kors bag because I knew कि वो जो bag होगा उसका अच्छा, and this makes a difference. People actually look that, oh, Michael Kors. Another brand, no, oh, Kate Spade, okay. कोई normal brand हो, इतने खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन के वो bags थे, बहुत creativity थी, but I had to leave those because मुझे जहन में डाल देगा कि ये brands वहाँ पे तो known नहीं है.
because yeah,
You're in the US, लोगों को वहाँ पे पता चलेगा कि तुम US से ये चीज़ लेकर आई हो. And I got played.
this is the perception they have made already.
Yes.
People's mind.
We can't say no to that. We are part of this game
Yeah,
now.
exactly. So this is something that people should understand. We need to break. Why? Because it, you know, there is what I have seen and researched on. Okay, you shouldn't be loud about how you're doing in life. So people are not going to be judging you.
Let
And
your
it
success
is-
speak for yourself.
It is
for you.
It
yeah?
is for your own
Yes.
good. You know how? Okay, let's say someone is dressing very classy without logos. Still, they look so classy, so elegant.
Yes.
And you know, let me tell you why the name is old money. Because old money people don't scream.
Yes.
They don't need to scream. This is what I'm wearing.
Yes.
This is what I have. They keep it very silent. Omerta.
Yeah.
Okay, they keep it omerta. They keep it very low key. Why would someone know what are you doing in life? So आप जिस भी हालत में होंगे उसका फ़ायदा ये होता है आपको कि आप जिस भी हालत में आप कंफर्टेबल हैं. Because people
आपकी इस
are
बात से मुझे एक बड़ी
judging you.
फनी स्टोरी याद आ गई जो मेरी अम्मी सुनाती थी.
Yeah.
About again जो असली और नकली लोग, those who have the
Yeah.
old money and those who have the
So
new
they
money.
They don't need to scream.
Yes. So
They don't need to-
the story goes about this king who who used to have this huge spread every month, na? And all the poor people would come there and वो enjoy करते थे royal food. Like the poor people would get the taste of the royal food. So वहाँ पे और बादशाह खुद सामने बैठ के वो देखता था कि अच्छा मैं देखूँ कि मेरा जो ये ट्रीटमेंट है विद द पुअर, हाउ इज़ इट गोइंग. तो वहाँ पे एक दिन उसने देखा कि एक शख्स बैठा है, वो मुर्गी खा रहा है और वो रोए जा रहा है, वो खा रहा है और रो जा रहा है. उसको बुलाया गया, वज़ीर से कहा उसको बुलाओ, उससे पूछो क्या हुआ. तो वो अपने आंसू साफ़ करते हुए बादशाह के पास आ गया था. बादशाह सलामत, हमारे भी यूँ दस्तरखान लगते थे, हम बहुत अमीर ज़्यादा होते थे, बस वक्त आया और हम जो हैं वो आज आपके दस्तरखान पे हमें वक्त ले आया. उसने कहा अच्छा चलो मैं थोड़ा सा आजमाता हूँ उसको ना. उसने कहा कि अगर तुम वाकई अमीरज़ादे हो तो मुझे बताओ कि जो मुर्गी होती है उसमें सबसे बेहतरीन चीज़ उसकी कौन सी होती है जो खाने में. उसने कहा कि वो जो पर उखड़े हुए होते हैं वो वाली खाल. बादशाह ने कहा वाह वाकई तुम हो किसी अच्छे घर से, मुझे पता है, चल गया ये। वहाँ पे एक और बंदा सुन रहा था, अच्छा उसने कहा कि इसको अशरफियाँ दो और इसको ना अपने महल में नौकरी भी दे दो, कि अच्छे घराने का लेकिन चलो मुश्किल वक्त पड़ा तो आज हम इसकी मदद कर देते हैं। अब थोड़ी देर बाद उसने देखा एक और शख्स वहाँ ना रोना शुरू हो गया। उसने उसको बुलाया, कहते क्या हुआ, कहता हम भी बड़े अमीर थे, वक्त बुरा आ गया, वरना तो हम भी, हमारे दस्तरखान लगते थे, खाने पकते थे, हम लोगों को खिलाते थे। बादशाह को थोड़ी सी समझ में आ गई कि ये 2 नंबर है। उसने कहा अच्छा ये बताओ कि जो गधा होता है उसकी बेस्ट जो पार्ट है बॉडी का खाने में क्या होता है, कहता उसकी खाल। बादशाह ने कहा इसको लेके जाओ और इसको लितर मारो कि ये हमारे यहाँ लोग, मतलब लोगों को डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं करना आता। दे थिंक कि अच्छा जी हमने बड़े बड़े महल बना लिए, घर बना लिए, तो हमारे अपने वो क्लास भी आ गई। वो दैट क्लास कम्स जनरेशन टू जनरेशन,
with the legacy, with the bloodline.
Yes.
You know, there is,
और उसमें अमीरी गरीबी की भी बात नहीं है। It's just that the class.
Yeah, it's all about. It's not. In all this, it's not about money.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, it's not about money in all this. It's
about the grace, it's about the manners, how you carry yourself.
Yeah,
yes.
Your legacy. Again, अच्छा, अब इससे एक बात I would love to share with you. There is the saying, speak so I can see you. Yeah? It's speak so I can see you. So this is what I believe in. Nosheen, speak so I want to see you, I can see you. If I care about materials, what are you wearing, how do you look, what car you are driving in, no.
Nothing impresses.
This
yes.
doesn't impress me, and this doesn't mean anything until and unless you sit and talk. Let's talk. Let's know. You're wise, you are humble, you're rude, you're...
Or you have some brains to think.
Yeah.
show your brains through your tongue.
So I can
yeah?
see you. So this is how it should be.
Yeah.
Not the materials. Let's talk. This is how you know people.
Yes.
This should be your priority. This is how you should judge, know, interact with people. Not with the materials. With, okay, yeah, that's it. Let's talk. Let's spend some time. Know each other better. So yeah, it's all about how wise you are. How good you have been learning. No one is perfect. When they're born, it's again all the experience, all the learning, all the time with age. You consume things, you work on yourself, you develop things. Just develop your own thinking. This is what I just want to say
right.
to people these days.
Right. And so being a woman entrepreneur, a boss lady, a businesswoman, right? Obviously, things don't come in handy. हर चीज़ के साथ challenges जुड़े हुए हैं, और ख़ुसूसन हम जिस माशरे में रहते हैं, जिस मुल्क में रहते हैं, वहाँ पे हमें पूरे पैकेज के साथ मिलते हैं challenges. So you might be facing a lot of them, but what I want you to talk about is कि कैसे उनको, like what is your coping mechanism, और आप क्या मशवरा देंगी कुछ वो लड़कियाँ जो कुछ सोच के बैठी हुई हैं घरों के अंदर कि हम कैसे करें, we have bigger ambitions. For instance, हो सकता है उनके साथ family support भी ना हो. You and I are lucky, like I said in the beginning, it's pure luck कि आपको family की भी support मिल जाए, और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे माशरे में. हम अकेले नहीं कुछ कर सकते. बाहर की लड़कियां जो हैं बैरून मुल्क में, उनको तो बाकायदा 18 साल की उम्र में घर से निकाल दिया जाता है ना कि जाओ खुद बनो. हमारे यहाँ तो 38-40 साल की उम्र में भी माँ बाप के घर में रहना है, अगर शादी नहीं हुई भी फिर मियाँ के घर में रहना है, अगर शादी हो गई है तो वो निकलना ही नहीं है घर से. So if somebody who wants to do something with their talent, skills or money or not, you keeping your experiences in your mind, आप क्या उनको मशवरा देंगी? And before that, let's talk about the challenges. That how did you manage them?
Challenges are really good though.
Okay, you're enjoying
it's
them.
Fun. I am enjoying a lot.
Okay.
अच्छा इसमें होता क्या है कि अच्छा मैं एक छोटा सा वो इसमें ज़रूर add on करना चाहूँगी. We're talking about challenges and when you're hiring especially, ठीक है. So when you're hiring, एक चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा माइंड में रखनी होती है कि people talk a lot. So be very good in that. कि just don't trust until and unless something practical happens. Just don't trust. The story telling बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारे माशरे में, हमारे लोगों में. They're lazy, they're not creative enough, but they talk good.
Talk a lot,
They
yes.
talk a lot. They talk good. Internet, oil, Google,
Exactly.
you know. So yeah, they talk a lot.
बिल्कुल.
So rather than listening, just see, test through some time and test and observations that what the performances are, what the practically क्या चीज़ें हो रही हैं, physically क्या चीज़ें हो रही हैं. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा challenge आता है. Every kind of industry में we have been working very in some different industries, real estate, construction, food business. Yeah, and now I'm into something very new and exciting about it, and it was all a passion kind of a thing to me and very close to my heart. So yeah, so especially in this, something when you are creating new, some creative stuff, so yeah, you have to be very, very careful about all the details. And one thing I would say, whoever wants to do anything, girl, men's, just do it. Just do it. Of course, आप misunderstood होते हो, different लोगों के different opinions होते हैं, पर हर इंसान जो सोचता है और जो करना चाहता है उसको करना चाहिए. Give it a try. Before doing a try, work on it. उसकी चीज़ें, उसकी terms and conditions, उसकी business development देखें, कैसे कर सकते हैं आप.
Study करें उसको, उसमें jump in करने से.
उसको research करें पूरी तरह से, अपना पूरा homework के साथ just give it a go.
Right.
And बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिनमें you don't need money all the time. Just do it. बहुत small, from a very small scale. I think around the world जितनी भी कुछ there are a lot of examples, a lot of people around. So they started from scratch. They had nothing. So
Exactly.
you must have a goal, set some goals. और अपने goals के अराउंड आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ये ख्याल करना चाहिए कि जो भी आपके रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, यू नो, अगेन आई वुड से अ गुड थिंग ऑन अ बैड टाइम कैन बी अ बैड थिंग. तो आपने ये देखना कि आपके गोल को कोई चीज़ अफेक्ट नहीं करी. आया कि वो कोई रिलेशनशिप है, आपके पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, या यू हैव योर हस्बैंड, you're dating, whatever it is, the terms of relationships, it shouldn't affect your goal. So relationship में वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता तब, वो उस टाइम में प्रॉब्लम होता है आपके गोल को अचीव करने में. So yeah, this is what I have seen, I have experienced, and I suggest to everyone that just give it a go, do your homework and research, and yeah, just stay focused. Yeah.
Right. Say. Last but not the least, I always ask this question from any lady boss that I have on my show, because it's inevitable. वो उसके एक ऐसी हकीकत है हमारे माशरे की कि जिससे हमें इनकार नहीं है, और वो ये है कि the support system that comes from men in our lives, be the family members, the colleagues, the relationships that we have, the friends that we have in our lives. हमारे यहाँ एक मखसूस तबका है वो जो कहता है कि बस सिर्फ और सिर्फ औरतें होनी चाहिए. ऑल women this, all women that, all women led business, all women band, all women marathon या कुछ भी, ठीक है.
New feminine.
I mean, I'm not considering कि वो गलत हैं, लेकिन मे बी कुछ challenges उन्होंने इतने सख्त देखे हैं. Like I am a supporter of feminism. I must say that with all ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट कि वो जो कर रही हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं, फॉर द फैक्ट कि पाकिस्तान में ख़वातीन ने बहुत मुश्किलें और बहुत पाबंदियाँ ऐसी देखी हैं जिनके लिए वो लाइक दे डिडंट डिज़र्व. सो अब अगर वो जो साइलेंट क्राइज थी अब वो आके सरफेस पे वो सुनाई देने लगी हैं, तो आई एम ग्लैड कि द वर्क इज़ बीइंग डन एंड दे आर हर्ड. बट कुछ चीज़ें ओवरडू हो रही हैं, एंड मे बी यू एंड आई माइट not agree to what they're doing, like बहुत ज़्यादा overdo करना, और जो feminism का असल जो मकसद है उससे चीज़ें हटती चली जा रही हैं, और they're becoming more about freedom of choice कि जी मैं कैसे कपड़े पहनूँ, या मैं बाहर किस टाइम तक रहूँ, और मैं इस तरह की आज़ादी, या वो वाली कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो बहुत हमारे शायद हमें हज़ारों साल लगे उनको अपने कल्चर से रिप्लेस करने, या रिप्लेस भी नहीं तो कम से कम थोड़ा सा चेंज करने में. सो कीपिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड, मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि आप कितना इस चीज़ को ज़रूरी समझते हैं कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो जितने भी जो मर्द हजरात हैं उनका किरदार इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर रनिंग योर ओन बिजनेस बीइंग अ लेडी. बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि कितनी ख्वारी होती है. मैंने भी एक छोटा सा बिजनेस किया था और मुझे पता है कि मेरे साथ मेरे 2 पार्टनर्स थे, मेरे साथ बहुत सपोर्ट थी मेरी फैमिली की, और उसके बाद कहीं जाके मैंने इस बात का अपने आप को यकीन दिलाया कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, वरना आई couldn't have done that particular business. इसके अलावा there are certain things जो सिर्फ they are meant for ladies कर लेती हैं. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि ख़वातीन नहीं कर सकती. But without the role of men in their life, do you think that this would have been achievable, what you are looking forward to?
Well, to be honest with you, first, there are 2 things you have mentioned. A feminism and a support of a man. There are 2 different things. So first, let me just make a small comment on that. I don't believe or follow feminism so much, which is very natural to me. Why? Because the religion we follow, Islam, even a religion, Allah has already specified very clearly what man and woman is. They are both okay. In values, they are equal, different, but they are different. Again, they are different. I believe in this. So yeah, masculinity is really important. So coming to the next thing, masculinity is really important around a man. Okay, let's say if I have a partner, okay, and so a man should be very manly. This is what I believe in. Not the toxic masculinity I'm talking about.
Not the control freaks. Huh?
Yeah. The man should be very manly, of course. They should behave as alpha man, as a leader. So I can
be the leader, not the boss. Yeah.
I can turn my brain off and I can rely and trust on you. Yeah, this is what it should be.
Yeah.
You should take care of everything. We're hanging out, we're going out, we're traveling, we're eating. So there, this is when the problem creates, when men are not like this, and women are becoming so masculine. This is why, because men
roles are reversing. Yeah,
men are not acting like men.
Yes, they're
it goes both ways.
They're looking forward to being more pampered now, being taken care of, you know, all the time, like being fed. Like the other day, I was watching this very, oh my god. Okay, मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं इसको कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूँ. A woman is talking about अच्छी औरत and a बुरी औरत. अच्छी औरत वो है, sorry, that was very very funny. अच्छी औरत वो है कि जिसका किचन साफ हो, जिसका बाथरूम साफ हो, जिसका जो है वो रोटी वक्त पे बनी हो, ठीक है. And she's like very modernly well dressed and all, वो बड़े बड़े lenses लगा के and like proper hair styling करके, but talking in a very, वो से कहते हैं ना, वो way back like 1860 की बातें करी. एंड बुरी औरत वो है कि जिसकी नींद नहीं पूरी होती, उसका किचन ऐसा है, उसका बाथरूम है, ठीक है. अब वो क्या कह रही है, लास्ट उसने बात की कि जी अच्छी औरत वो है कि जिसके खावन के कपड़े इस्त्री हों, उसका खावन दिखे कि जी वो अच्छे कपड़े पहन. और एट दिस पॉइंट आई वाज लाइक, यार वो शादी से पहले भी तो जी रहा था, क्या वो नंगा फिरता था? सॉरी, बट क्या वो फटे होमलेस सिचुएशन में था, फटे कपड़े पहनता था? आप मर्दों से उनकी ये सोच क्यों लेना चाह रही, छीनना चाह रही कि देखो मैं तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में आई हूँ तो तुम बदले हो? ये भी तो गलत तरीका है ना. ये भी तो फिर मैं कहूँगी कि ये टॉक्सिक फेमिनिज्म क्या जो भी है जो भी है वो ये टॉक्सिक हो जाता है. फिर ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमें ख़त्म करना है कि यार नहीं मैं ऊपर हूँ, नहीं मैं ऊपर हूँ. we should go side by side. Exactly.
And you should know the agendas happening around us and in this world, so you should know. Just don't be the part of the agendas. That's why I say self-development is very important. So think what are you doing? Analyze things before getting part of anything. Analyze. Okay, what is it? Research.
Yes.
People stop thinking. That's why I'm repeating it again and again, because I've seen it. I travel a lot. I have been traveling a lot. And this is what I see everywhere. It's not about this country we live in, and though I'm so proud to be living in this country, to be Pakistani, I love my country, I love my religion, everything. So you should know. You should think, know, analyze how things work, how things are working.
Yes, from place to place, you should know.
Exactly.
Then do in Rome
So-
as Romans do. So
Yeah.
आप
So exactly.
उस लिहाज से
So
चलें.
you should work on self-development, creativity, productivity, and yeah, think about yourself again.
Exactly. And
Stop
and
scrolling, guys.
Exactly. And in times like
Grow
this,
up.
especially when I look at the content, तो मैं कहती हूँ जिसने content बनाया उसने भी तो मेहनत की है ना, तो why can't I do that?
Yeah, exactly.
Why can't another person who is all the time, और
हाँ.
मज़े की बात है यही वो लोग हैं who come up with the most toxic comments, जो कि कंटेंट बनाने वाले की मेंटालिटी के साथ खेल जाते हैं. एंड यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ द मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज दैट दीज कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स आर गेटिंग आर बिकॉज ऑफ दोज यूजलेस पीपल बिहाइंड देयर कैमराज, सॉरी फोन्स, जो कि देयर कैन नॉट डू व्हाट द कंटेंट क्रिएटर इज डूइंग, तो वो उसको उस पर कॉमेंट करके उसको यू नो मतलब उसको डिमोरलाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Right.
So yes, you're right. I totally agree to this fact. और इस चीज़ की कमी होती जा रही है. आई वॉज इन टू टीचिंग एंड हमारी टीचिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा जो हमें जिस चीज़ की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती थी दैट वाज to be a critical thinker yourself and then inculcate this critical thinking, the ability to think critically into your students, so that वो वाला सीन ख़त्म हो गया उसकी वजह से कि वो बच्चे जो ना पूरा टीचर बोर्ड पे एक आंसर लिख रही है पूरा पीरियड लगा के, बच्चे उसको कॉपी कर रहे हैं, वो मैडम ने क्या लिखा है तुमने दिखाओ, ये वाला सीन ख़त्म हो गया था. जब मैं टीचिंग करी थी हमारी जैसी जिस तरह हमने पढ़ा था वैसा नहीं था. हम क्या करते थे, वन लाइनर बच्चों को बोला यू टेल मी वो पूरा आंसर बन जाता था. किड्स वुड राइट इट डाउन. सो वो किस लिए होता था, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, टू इग्नाइट दैट स्पार्क इन देम, कि जिससे फिर वो आग भड़के और वो ना फिर आगे जाने की जो है वो हिम्मत पैदा हो. So I really enjoyed talking to you. It was a very deep conversation, much needed. And
there is a very small thing I would like to again put in this podcast.
Sure.
To make it more, whoever listens to this podcast, it's all about whatever you're saying. Your words should make a spell, because
Yes.
word become a word from spelling, and spelling came from a spell. So whatever you say, it's making a spell on the other person, on your mind.
Has a lasting
everything.
impression. Yes.
Yeah. So there is a small story in the Bible when God comes to Solomon's dream, and he asked the Solomon that, what do you want? You want wealth? Or you want kingdoms? What do you want? So Solomon said, I want wisdom. So with the wisdom, he said, God, give me wisdom. Because he knew with the wisdom, everything will gonna come. Richness, kingdoms, everything. So pray to God and make yourself wise enough and ask for the wisdom. So you understand, think, make yourself wise. You know, so yeah, you can have the kingdoms, you can have the richness and everything. So become wise.
Yeah, not clever but wise. Yes, because
yeah.
clever people, you know, they keep on pulling legs, and वो बहुत है हमारे माशरे में. उनको नहीं चाहिए, हमें cleverness नहीं चाहिए, हमें wisdom चाहिए. Wisdom की ज़रूरत है.
Exactly.
But yeah, साले बहुत शुक्रिया आने का, और and I'm really excited for Old Money, and I might be
coming soon.
Yeah, I might be coming soon to buy. Let's see what is the business model, and you know, we're like looking forward to that. But pleasure having you, and I wish you all the best in your future ventures.
The pleasure was all mine, Nosheen. Thank you so much. Allah Pak bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was a lovely podcast, lovely conversation.
बहुत खुशी होती है यंग लड़कियों को देख के कि वो इतनी ambitious हैं, और सिर्फ ambitious नहीं है. They are somewhere in their life. और क्योंकि एक ज़माना था पाकिस्तान में, जो एक कॉमन सर्वे की बात कर रही हूँ, कि till a woman turns 40, जो हमारी सक्सेस का जो क्राइटेरिया था, कि unless they're 40, उससे पहले उनको ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं मिल रहे थे, या ऐसी उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिल रही थी where they could, you know, simply showcase themselves as a successful young woman in being in their 20s and 30s. नाउ जो रेशियो है वो दैट इज़ मोर लाइक टुवर्ड्स द 20s and 30s एंड आफ्टर 40s women are like they're giving up कि अच्छा अब मेरी बेटी आ गई है या मेरी ये कलीग आ गई है या मेरी ये सक्सेसर है जिसको मैंने प्रिपेयर कर दिया एंड दे काइंड ऑफ रिटायरिंग अर्ली बिकॉज दे नो कि देयर इज समबडी हु इज़ taking their place. So I'm glad कि बहुत सारी young ख़वातीन अब and young entrepreneurs and young
even guys,
young scientists, young doctors
even,
and guys, yes.
even girls, guys,
बहुत खुशी होती है इस चीज़ की कि ये चीज़ें अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ख़त्म होती जा रही हैं. अल्लाह करे हमारी सियासत में भी ये चीज़ आ जाए. बहुत ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे youngsters की.
It's a whole other podcast.
No comments. But message delivered.
Message delivered.
Okay. Saleh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This was Saleh Obaid with her interesting stories and interesting wisdom that you just heard from her. And this is Nosheen Bukhari signing off from Reply All. अगली दफ़ा किसी और interesting से मेहमान के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होंगे. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.